5:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Russell, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour.
Oh my gosh.
The warning was based on radar indications. The following effects are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Russell, Lucas, Dorrance, Bunker Hill, Wilson State Park, Wilson Lake, and Russell Airport. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 186 and 203. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.